This is the second part of normal Zeeman effect, and in the first part we find out that this is the frequency of the electron in an orbit with magnetic field is applied, and this is the original frequency of the electron moving in an orbital motion, and this is the frequency added when H magnetic field is applied to the orbital motion of an electron. This constant value, that is Eh upon 4 pi m naught, is known as Larmor frequency. With the help of an example, we will find out what will happen in the normal Zeeman effect. Let us consider the electron is moving in an orbit having orbital quantum number L is equal to 2. This orbital will behave like a single path when no magnetic field is applied, but as the magnetic field is applied, we get 5 different type of energy levels and 5 variation of paths. Similarly, if an electron is moving in an orbit having L is equal to 1, that is orbital quantum number, it have single path when there is no magnetic field applied to the magnet, but as the magnetic field is applied, this single path will split into 3 paths. It means there are 3 possible orientations or orbital paths for an electron. In our expression, there is a change in our magnetic quantum number, and here the selection rule is that the ml will change to 0 or plus 1 to minus 1. It means there are only 3 possible changes for the change in the value of ml. These are the values of ml for our first state, and these are the values for our second state. It means there are only some sort of jumps or variation or shifts of electron will possible. Electron may move from 2 to 1. In this case, change in ml is equal to plus 1, and from 1 to 0 or from 0 to 1. In all the cases, the change in the value of ml is plus 1, which is according to our rule. It is also happen that we can get the spectral lines when the electron moves from 1 to 1 or 0 to 0 or minus 1 to minus 1. In this case, the change in the magnetic quantum number is equal to 0. Similarly, here electron can move from 0 to 1, from minus 1 to 0, and from minus 2 to 1, and in all these cases the change in the